Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, on one of the pages, you will find a screen record toggle. For me, it is on the second page right over here. Once you see yours, you can just simply tap on it. It brings up a pop-up letting you choose if you're gonna record a single application or entire screen, and also what kind of audio will be recorded. By default, it is turned off, so if you want to record any audio, just toggle it on. And under the drop-down, you have the option to record devices audio, microphone, or both. Now, if you're planning to do both, I would recommend using headphones for this, as without them, you might have an unwanted echo effect. From there, select Start Recording. Oh, right, I didn't change the... There we go. I want to do entire screen. Now, it looks like with entire screen, we do have the option to show touches, which I'll enable just so you can see how that looks like. It will just record a semi-transparent grayed out wherever your finger was pressing the display. Now, it also starts a 3-second countdown, after which it gives you a notification that it's now recording. Once you're done recording, pull down your notifications, and here you'll find this notification in regards to your recording, and you can just select Stop. This will automatically save your screen recording to the Photos application, and you can find it under the Collections, Video, hopefully, no, never mind. Trying to find where it saved it. Movies. Okay, so we're looking for it under the Movies album, and here you can see screen recording, and you can also see that's where my finger was pressing the display. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.